Alright, so we're out here at Lafayette. I just hooked on, and we got something pretty good size right now. Trying to get into the boat. Trying to stay away from the weeds. And not sure what it is yet, but we'll bring it in a second.
Hey, it's a nice day out here at Lafayette.
Okay, I see the fish now. It's a nice one.
Yes.
Something good size.
Here, nice day. Look, nice view.
Here we go. Oh, wow. It's nice. I think we got another catfish.
Yes, let's see what you got.
Here we go.
Uh-oh.
He's not ready to come in yet. He's not ready yet.
Well, let's see.
Hey, he's ready now.
He's ready. Come on.
Oh, look at
Another.
that.
What is it?
Big catfish.
Oh, another catfish. Oh my God.
Oh,
Yes.
it's gonna be so yummy.
Yes.
Oh my God. That's gonna be a.
Alright.
Hey, that's gonna be a dinner.
Hold on a second. We gotta get this guy on video.
Yes.
Let me just take the hook out here.
Hey, maybe we were doing good in this area.
Yes. This is the spot. Oh.
Hey, be careful.
Yes. Give me a second.
Hey, amazing catch, honey.
Yes. Nice.
Oh wow.
Here's our, today, this is the second catfish, and we got two today.
Oh my God, that's so
But that
amazing.
usually never happens.
Yes. Look
Oh
at
my
this one.
God, that's cool.
Right. Hey, trout and catfish.
Let's see. Oh my God. Oh my God.
that.
Oh,
That's a
it's
big
actually a good sized one.
There we go.
Let me see.
This, okay. Hold on a second, everybody. All right, so we got a lot of
Bunkers.
hey, we got a lot of bloopers today. So
Really?
hold on, there we go.
Oh my
All
God.
right, so
He kind of jumped over here my end.
we got blooper
Sorry.
central. All right,
Oh
so,
my God. He just. You see?
Okay,
He
hold on.
just hurt himself.
There we go.
He's a bleeder too.
Bam, he's a bleeder. But hey, it's a big catfish, big tail, and he is a talker.
I
He
see.
got a lot going on here. There. Shh. Hear him?
Yes.
There we go.
Oh, amazing.
Whew. Another big catfish.
Oh man.
Oh, pan-fried catfish.
Yes.
2 in 1 day.
Yes.
Woo! Nice one. Hey,
Nice
we
one.
struggled
Congrats,
for this.
honey.
We struggled for this bad boy. So we got 2
Oh no.
limited trout, 2 big catfish, Lafayette Reservoir. Was it May 27th,
Yes.
2017?
Yes.
We got it right.
Hey, yes.
Yes.
Good.
Pan-fried catfish
Oh,
tonight.
good job, honey.
Woohoo!
Woohoo.
Lafayette.
Lafayette, baby.
Later.